Well, my phone says it's -2 outside here in Wisconsin. Oh yeah, it is cold. I'm gonna cold start my Taurus. I haven't even heard it cold start because I always use my remote start. And it's dying. I need to go to Batteries Plus, get a battery for that. My God. I've gotten so spoiled using it, but I wanted to do this today. Yeah, the car says it's -1. But that thermometer, I don't know how accurate that can be. When I first got the car in the winter, it said it was like 60 degrees. Strange, now it's working. Alright, thanks for watching. I know I'm low on fuel.